Is LinkedIn the new Facebook? That's a question I've been asked a couple of times by students and my coaching clients inside the Leveraging Academy. So, yes, LinkedIn has changed. In fact, when it first started, it was purely focused on job seekers and corporate professionals. So, people would mostly share their job openings or upload resumes. In fact, most people's LinkedIn profiles would just copy and paste from their resumes. LinkedIn was launched in 2003, but over the years it has pivoted, and in the last few years, especially during the pandemic, with people being stuck at home, with people being laid off from jobs, more hybrid work, people started sharing more personal posts. And a lot of these personal posts do really well. Now, should every post be a Facebook post about what you've eaten, where you're going on vacation? I would say no, because LinkedIn is still a social media platform for professionals to share their expertise, to make connections, to get new jobs or get promotions or get new clients, leads, sales, etc. You can do some of that on Facebook and Instagram, but LinkedIn's whole goal was a professional networking platform. But the other thing is with AI and so many posts that seem so robotic and not humanized, I think it's nice to see posts, personal posts, where you get to know a little bit more about the person because people buy from people. People building their know, like, and factor so that they can get job opportunities, new clients, get invited to speak on podcasts, be interviewed for YouTube shows, be asked to speak at events and summits and conferences, sell more books, etc. And LinkedIn has moved, or I would say evolved, where we have even a lot of creative people on LinkedIn. Before, it was mostly the corporate world and larger startups, but now there are artists, musicians, foodies, all kinds of people on LinkedIn. So I want to share a post that I did actually just 24 hours ago. Yesterday, May 5th, was LinkedIn's 22nd anniversary. It's also 22 years since I got married. So it's kind of a personal post. I do post personal stuff occasionally. I'm mostly a private person, so I'll post only things once in a way. And when I do post, I try to connect it or link it to a lesson or to a story. So I think when you do a personal post, you want to be telling a story. You want to not just post for the sake of posting. Look, I ordered nachos today because it's Cinco de Mayo. Why was this the dish you ordered? Why does Cinco de Mayo mean so much to you? I'm just giving you an example. So in my case, if I scroll down and show you this post, which has got a lot of engagement, and LinkedIn's engagement is down. So in 24 hours, for me, this is a lot of engagement. It has 72 likes or reactions, 41 comments. Some of them are my comments responding to people. Both milestones happened, as I said, right here in the Bay Area. Both have shaped my life in unexpected and powerful ways. LinkedIn helped me grow my network. If it wasn't for me getting married to someone who lived in the US, I wouldn't have founded the Expat Woman. I wouldn't have become a LinkedIn coach. So that's what I talk about. But I'm having this photograph of my wedding, and then, of course, a photo of me on LinkedIn, and blending the two stories together, plus it's LinkedIn's birthday, etc., got this post a lot of attention. So I think personal posts are fine, but don't just create a personal post. Don't just put a selfie of you up there just for the sake of creating content and getting likes and engagement. I still wanted to promote that I am a LinkedIn coach. I did want to promote that I'm also the founder of the Expat Woman. I was intentional with creating it because that's my whole goal with LinkedIn, is to share my expertise, also showcase myself as a LinkedIn coach, as the founder of the Expat Woman, and then share my knowledge and add value, create impact, influence, etc. So I'm very strategic when I write my profile, when I create content, whether it's personal or professional, when I connect with people, when I create events, when I create my newsletter, etc. So I do not like when people are constantly just posting personal posts and using LinkedIn like Instagram and Facebook. I don't see too many of them, and sometimes people share a lot of personal information, and those posts do really well as well. But if they're written with a lot of thought and strategy, and at the same time feel organic, that they're not written by AI. Maybe people got the idea from AI, but then they use their own voice. I think it's totally fine. Let me know in the comments what you think about personal posts on LinkedIn. Do you think they belong here, or should it just be professional posts? I wanted to just also share this. All the comments were great, but one of them, this woman, I can't find it right now, but she said that she liked my post because she didn't know much about my story, my personal life, and it gave her a peek into that, because most of my posts are content about how to use LinkedIn, about the expat woman, about events, etc. And this woman is a sponsor. She sponsored one of my events a couple of months ago. And I guess for her, it was like, I want to know who Naina is. I want to get behind the scenes. Now, maybe she sees me in a different light. Maybe she'll come back and sponsor another event. So I think it can be very powerful. I am hosting a LinkedIn content workshop, how to use LinkedIn to convert your content into more leads, sales, etc. I'll share the link in the description. If you're watching this video after it's done, you'll still be able to watch the replay. It is a paid workshop, and the replay too, you'll have to pay for it, but it's affordable for the kind of content I'm sharing. All right, so hopefully you leave a comment and let me know if you prefer LinkedIn to just professional, or you like seeing posts that are personal occasionally. And if you have a post you've created, feel free to share the link in the comments. If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe, please share. I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.